Welcome children. I hope you had a great time. So today we are back with a new lesson, that is the plateaus and the desert region. Yes? So students, from the first half, in part 1 we are going to deal with the plateaus. So what is a plateau? Plateau is nothing else a flat land which is a slightly higher than its surrounding. So plateau is clear. Moving next, now the extension of our plateau in India, right? So, you have learned the northern plains in the last class, yes? So, starting from the northern plains, just to the south of northern plains, it extends towards the south, till the tip of our southernmost part of India. So this is a plateau region, yes. Now these plateau regions are surrounded by our hills and mountain ranges, yes. Towards the northwest, that is this side, we have got Aravalli range. Aravalli range. And to the extreme side, towards your northeastern side, you have got Rajmahal Hills over here. That's your Rajmahal Hills. Coming to the bottom part, that is your southern part, we have got to the western side our Western Ghats, and to the eastern side we have got Eastern Ghats. This is your Western Ghat. And here towards east you have got Eastern Ghats. Now, do you know that our plateau region is again divided into two? And it's nothing else, it's our river, Narmada river, divides our plateau into two. To the north side, we have got Central Highlands. Central Highlands. Your Narmada river divides this is your Narmada river. Yes, the Narmada river divides it into two parts. The top part, you have got your Central Highland. That's your Central Highland. I hope you can see it. Central Highlands. And to the south part, we have got the Deccan Plateau. This is your Deccan Plateau. Do you know, children, this word Deccan came from the Sanskrit word Dakshin, which means south. So I hope this is very nicely clear to each one of you. Now moving next, in detail we are going to study about the Central Highlands. Your Central Highlands include two plateaus. The first one is your Malwa Plateau. Malwa Plateau. And the next one is your Chota Nagpur Plateau. Chota Nagpur. So we have learned now two plateaus that are included in your Central Highlands is your Malwa and Chota Nagpur Plateau. Now Malwa Plateau, it is rich in black soil. Rich in black soil. Black soil. And so that's the reason you can grow crops very nicely, and it is famous for cotton also. So black soil which is rich, you can grow cotton and other crops. And other crops also. Whereas your Chota Nagpur Plateau is rich in the deposits of minerals. Now, coming to your next is your Deccan Plateau. Here also in Central Highlands, there are rivers like Sans, Betwa, Chambal that flows, that joins Ganga and Yamuna River and then flows into Bay of Bengal. Next, we are going to deal with our Deccan Plateau. Moving to your Deccan Plateau, which is to the south of your Satpura Range and Narmada River. Do you remember the part of the Deccan Plateau that I had drawn? Remember this? Near to your Gujarat, moving down to the southern part. This area comes in your Deccan Plateau, which was bounded by the Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat. Here you have got your Western Ghat. And here, this side, towards east, you have got your Eastern Ghat. Now, in your Western Ghat, there are chain of mountains. There is no breakup, whereas in your eastern side, the mountain range are broken into smaller ranges. So that is what makes Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat different. Coming to the next part, these Western and Eastern Ghat meets at Nilgiri Hills. And below Nilgiri Hills, you have got Annamalai Hills and Cardamom Hills too. So those are the ranges over here where the plantation takes place. Plantation, you know, tea, coffee, these all crops are coming under your plantation crops. Now, in your Deccan Plateau, your Deccan Plateau generally slopes from west to east. That's why we have got maximum waterfalls over there. And just because of these sloping part, we have got Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Godavari. These river flows into Bay of Bengal. And moreover, they are the rain-fed rivers. That means during the rain only these rivers get its water, and during summer at times it dries also. Moving next to your these rivers, we have got dams over it. Dams are built over these rivers to store water for irrigation and provide electricity also. Then highest waterfall that is there in our Deccan Plateau, that is in India only, it is your Jog Fall, and that is on Sharavati River in Karnataka. You have got your highest waterfall, that is your Jog Fall, which is in Sharavati River. In Karnataka. So I hope this is very nicely clear to each one of you. So that's the end of our plateau region. So sit back, read the lesson. If you have got any doubt, you can clarify any time through WhatsApp or other link if we have got. Okay, so have a nice time. Take care.